Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you about a good text animation, that is filling text animation, how you can add in your videos. We are going to learn this. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image, blank video template, right? Now what we are going to do is we are first of all going to change the color of this, right? So we have selected a blank template and now we are just going to edit this, right? So we have selected this and going to change the color to like red or whatever color you want, and here I'm just adding a heading that is my favorite heading, digital Bikana, and we are going to change the color to white. Okay, we are going to increase the size, or you let me show you for Bikana only so that you can properly see, right, what I am doing. Okay, we are going to choose a good font. The Spartan is over there, many more fonts are there. Let us select any other font. Okay, and reduce the font size so that it fits in a single frame. Okay, in a single line. Now what we are going to do is we are going to move it over here, and then we are going to duplicate this page. Okay, editing the first slide, and here we are just going to select the text and add an effect of hollow, right? Now it's hollow and the second one is solid, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to add a transition, and it could be slide, circle vibe, right, line vibe, yeah, and in this direction, left direction only. Okay, now let me play the video. As you can see, our text would wipe. Okay, it's not rendered right now, so that's why it is stucking, and let us decrease the duration as well so that you can properly see what we have done. Okay, I have decreased the duration of the first clip, now the second clip as well. How much I care about you guys, right? But you don't. That's why you have not yet subscribed, right? So subscribe our YouTube channel right now. Okay, let's play this video. Yeah, so this is how you can add a filling text animation effect in Canva. Apart from that, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.